Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you have no idea who I am a first generation low income undergraduate at Stanford University, and I made this channel to help other first generation low income students get better access to higher education through my college related videos. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining access codes. So I remember the first time I heard this term, I was like, what the heck is that? I did not know that it was a thing, but apparently it's a very common thing in college. So this video is more of letting you know that access codes are a thing as opposed to actually explaining it, because the definition for access codes is pretty easy to understand. So access codes are basically codes that you have to purchase in order to access your homework. I remember this was such a crazy concept to me because I was like, why do I have to buy my own homework? That's insane. Like, why do I need to do this? And I had to do it for my chemistry class, which I talk about in another video, and you can check it out here. And yeah, I basically didn't know what it was, but it's apparently a thing that a lot of classes have, but not all of them. So I don't want to scare you guys with this video and make you think that these access codes are like super common and like you're gonna have to buy one for every single one of your classes. I have taken so many classes at Stanford. I have already gone through my whole first year at university, and I have only had to purchase an access code once. So no, it's not that common, but when you get a class that has an access code, it kind of hurts, because I remember I had to pay over $100. I can't remember if it's $140 or $170. I do remember that they asked for $50 more in case I wanted the e-textbook to go along with the access code. You can also get an access code if you were to buy a physical copy of the textbook through the bookstore, which do not do. Do not ever buy your books from a bookstore. Don't ever do that. Ask someone if they have a used version, or go to your library if they have it, or I don't know, just look it up on the internet. There's usually free PDFs everywhere, so please look it up before you buy a textbook, because there is almost no reason for you to buy a brand new textbook from the bookstore. But that is also one of the ways that you can get an access code. It was usually like in the book, and it will be activated once you purchase the book. Another way is you could just purchase it online, which is what I did. And it gave me access to my homework, like I said, and the homework was, I can't remember if it was anywhere between 10 to 20% of my grade, so I knew I had to buy it, and it was so unfortunate that I had to spend so much money just to do my own homework, and it was torture. That homework was so bad. Anyways, why are access codes a thing? I have no idea why they're a thing. Why can't you just let me do my homework for free? If your class requires you to buy an access code, I recommend to reach out to your professor and ask if there's any way that you can get that expense covered, or go to your FGLI office at your school and ask if you can get that waived, or if you can get some kind of grant or small scholarship that would give you money to purchase that access code, because it is a very heavy expense, and I know for low income students specifically, it's just a lot of money. You know, where are we going to get $150 from for homework? And it's insane. Like, it's classes. That's what it is. Access codes are classes. And I would even say that it discourages low income students from pursuing like STEM related fields, because it just requires so much from you financially, and it's just not fair that access codes exist, but they do. And this video is more of a warning for you guys, just to know that access codes are a thing, because I didn't know that they were a thing. A lot of my friends didn't know that they were a thing, and it's just common in college. Like I said, I don't want to scare you guys. I've only had to purchase an access code once, and hopefully I will never have to do that again. But all of my other classes have not required access codes from me so far, and I really hope I don't have to repurchase another one for a different class. And I talk about other unexpected expenses in my other videos, so go check that out. And if you have already, well then just like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about access codes or about anything, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will get back to you. You can also follow us on our Instagram at FirstGenFirst, on our Twitter, FirstGen1ST, and contact us at our email, info@firstgenfirst.org. That's pretty much it. Bye. So I remember when I was entering college. Today's video, Stanford, but I have gone through the whole,